here with you, and today I'm here to share with you my Beebeecraft make using the metal little plates, as well as this beautiful tool, which is used to as a safety handle. So when you're stamping, you're not holding it like this, and obviously less danger to snap your fingers. Now I already started trying it out, and it does a really good job. Now I want to do it with you guys. I just want to make sure, I wanted to make sure that I was doing it properly, and hopefully this time around I'm going to put the letters in the right size, because the right side, because obviously if you don't put them on the right side, then you're spelling your word, you're not spelling your word the way you're supposed to. So basically you just put the little tool here, your little letter right there, and you just oops, okay, make sure that I do this properly, because now I'm gonna have it upside down again, and you just twist this so that it's stuck. So now I just hold it like this, and I go like that, and there goes my bee. I hope you guys can see. Isn't it cool? So then I'm gonna do the next one, because I want to do the word brave. So I'm gonna start stamping here, since I have the bee already there, and then just undo this, and then choose my E and put it the right way as well. And it's a question of getting used to the tool, but it's really so much, it feels so much safer, because I was always afraid, like I had purchased some of these alphabet for a while, and I wasn't using them because I was always afraid to, you know, end up snapping my fingers. Why want the R, and I just took the wrong letter, and it would help if I was putting it the right way. The tool is amazing. It's me that's not so amazing, because if I do it this way, it's going to be upside down. So it needs to be this way. Yeah. So it's more a question of me putting the letters in the right way. And in Beebeecraft, they have amazing what am I saying? Beebeecraft. Oh my god, I'm renaming them. I'm so sorry. So the links are going to be down below, but if you want alphabets, their alphabet sets are so much cheaper than all the other ones I've seen. And honestly, like, if I had known, I would have gotten these alphabets instead of spending a lot of money on the ones I got. So I highly suggest that you do that. Why is this a 4? Oh, I'm taking the wrong one. I'm taking the one like that's the no, maybe it needs to be this way. Okay, so this way, and I love this. I feel like I said, I feel so much safer. So now I'm actually going to be making a lot of these, which I wasn't before, because I was just afraid of hurting myself. And you can position it, and you see perfectly where it's going to go. So I just spelled out be brave. Now we will put a little bit of ink on this because I'd like to be able to show it better on camera. So I've got the feeling that if I can push it in, you would see it better. Or maybe not ink, maybe paint. Because I just want to show you how awesome it looks. Paintbrush. So, okay, then just wipe the excess off. And here you go. Isn't that amazing? I love this so much. Oh my god, so much. And it looks so good when you add the paint on it, because it really makes the letters pop. And this is the other side, which obviously embossed as well. And I'm terrible at removing stuff. My nails have been basically kind of destroyed. So, see, this is the opposite side, so you can see the little indentation. But isn't that oh, I just love this. I love this so much. So much. Oh, very, very cool. And then you could put a message this way as well. Because, let's see. Let's make another one. And put it this way. So, now, I want the U, the Y. So, say Y. Oh, it gets a lot easier once you get the gist of it. And I put it the wrong way. Brilliant. Well, it's okay, because it's just gonna add more interest to the fact that I handmade this, and it's still an O. So let's try not to do this again. I should always put them this way first. Okay, so whoops. Okay, I didn't twist it strong enough. But I can realign my letter because it did leave a little indentation, so I can just realign it this way. And here we go. So U. This is a lot of fun. It would also take a lot of the stress and tension away from your day if you've had a bad day, to enter, like, you can bang out your frustrations. You are. Sure I put it the right way. And I was going to do this again. some of those little tags for my Etsy store. What do you think? Would it be interesting to have some of these in there? Please let me know. Okay, so that's I just adore this tool. Seriously, like, that's just an amazing tool. Amazing tool. Okay, so and here we go. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So if you're interested, go and check out Beebeecraft and you will not be disappointed. You're gonna love what they have in store. There's so many wonderful items. It's really hard to choose. They have a ton of jewelry making things. They also have all kinds of other stuff. So please go in the description box below and click on the links. And that's it for me. Bye everyone.